Our yummy fruits and juice makers are ready to shine.
Wow!
Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw fruits and a smoothie maker.
Wow!
So let's get started. We are going to draw a strawberry, a banana, a pear, an apple and cherries.
Okay.
Which one do you like the most in these fruits? I love apple the most. Now let's color them. I am putting the red color.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him.
Now I am putting the light green color.
Will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music.
Now I am putting the light yellow color.
Handy.
Brown color. Now I am putting the light purple color. I am putting the dark yellow color now. Dark purple color.
Yankee Doodle went to town.
I am putting the sky blue color now.
Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music.
Putting the red color now.
The girls be handy.
Our yummy fruits and juice makers are ready to shine.
Wow!